children. Welcome to our EVS class.
Dear children, do you remember the topics that we discussed in our last class?
Then tell me what we discussed in our last class. Yes, we discussed about nutritious food.
My dear children, do you like cooking?
Okay, so today at first we are going to study about how to make a vegetable salad. To make this vegetable salad, we need some vegetables.
Dear children, do we use cooked or uncooked vegetables for making this vegetable salad?
Yes, for making the vegetable salad, we use the vegetables that are uncooked.
Let's see what are the substances needed for making the vegetable salad.
Cucumber, tomato, carrot, onion, green chilli, curd, then salt. Before cutting the vegetables, we have to wash them very well.
Then cut them into small pieces.
Take a bowl and put the chopped vegetables into the bowl. Then add some curd. Then add some pepper powder. At last add some salt and mix all the vegetables with a spoon. My dear children, now our tasty salad is ready. Like this, all of you should make the vegetable salad, okay? My dear children, shall we move on to the next topic? Now we are going to study about the necessary steps we must follow while using fruits and vegetables. First one, fruits and vegetables should be used only after washing them well with pure water. Second one, cut vegetables only after washing. Don't wash after cutting vegetables. Then last one, cook vegetables only to the required extent. That is, vegetables need not to be overcooked, because if it is overcooked, it loses the nutrients. So, vegetables need not to be overcooked. Okay children, I hope you understand. So, these are the steps we have to take while using fruits and vegetables.
Dear children, do you like mango? Okay, which mango you like? Ripe mango or the raw mango?
Have you ever tasted the raw mango? Okay, then tell me, what is its taste? Yes, it is sour taste, right? Then what is the taste of ripe mango? Yes, it is very sweet taste. My dear children, which organ help us to identify the taste of these two mangoes? Yes, our tongue help us to identify the taste of both raw mango and ripe mango. We all know that, like tongue, our nose also help us to identify the smell of ripe mango. Dear children, so which are the organs help us to identify the mangoes? Yes, our tongue and nose. So these two organs are our sense organs. In your second standard, you studied about sense organs, right? Okay, then tell me, how many sense organs we have? Yes, you are right. We have 5 sense organs, and they are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These 5 sense organs help us to identify the 5 senses. Do you know what are the 5 senses? Okay, so let's see. Our eyes helps us to identify the things by seeing. Our ears helps us to identify the things by hearing. Our nose helps us to identify the things by smelling, and our tongue helps us to identify the things by tasting, and the last one, skin. Our skin helps us to identify the things by touching. Okay, so which are the 5 senses? Yes, see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Okay dear children, I hope you all understood the topic that we discussed on today. Okay, now it's time for doing the activity. In your textbook of page number 78, we can see a table. Some situations are given in the table and the 5 sense organs are also given. You have to find out the sense organ which helps us to identify the proper situation.
Okay, my dear children, will you do this activity? My dear little ones, that's all for today's section. See you in the next class. Thank you.